니 대제 단다 군중 권동제된 사모는 이지토니 주초지 주긴. So on this joyous occasion of the 330th anniversary of Chapuri Monastic College, which was founded in Lhasa, and at the 34th anniversary when our Chapuri Tibetan Medical Institute was re-established here in Darjeeling by the late Chogar Rinpoche, I'd like to invite all our distinguished guests, especially Mr. Paul Tamerling and Mariana, and our respected board members, our administrator, and then our senior doctors, staff, students, and other guests, and also our former staff. So my greetings to you all. So as our former principal, Dr. Champa Ketubla, was mentioning the history of Chapuri, how Chapuri was first established in Tibet, and also how it was re-established here in India. So there's nothing much to say to you all about it. And then our administrator, Kumatish Thentubla, has been giving you a very detailed account of our report for the last year, what major works we have accomplished and what needs to be further accomplished. So then that again, it's for all of us to work together as a team. But this was a teamwork in which we have been able to accomplish, really, if you look back in the last 1 year, that quite a lot of work has been accomplished. Because as Kumo has been saying, that we had got stuck with a certificate of essentiality, which is in fact an NOC from the state government, from the health department, in which we are allowed to establish a medical college. So that it has been, so I've been also jokingly saying to Kumo that your name is Tashi Tendro. So then Tashi means auspicious, Tendro means wish fulfilling. So then in fact, as for your name, so then it has been auspicious, and then our work has also been accomplished, because we went together there as a team, 3 of us, Kumo, then our board member, secretary, Mr. Ting Narbula, and myself. And then of course it was like our first visit to the government office in Calcutta as a team, 3 of us, and then on our very first meeting. So then, because that work has been pending for quite a long time, we have been going there with our former board members, Mr. K.V. Jogi and so on also. We had gone there before. But in the last meeting, like last year when we went in April, it went through, and then it worked out very well. And then the very next month in May, around the end of May, I think it was in around 21st, 22nd of May, then we got the like the recognition letter, we could say, or the certificate of essentiality, which is like the permission from the state government to establish this sort of a medical college. So then that has been like a very major milestone for us. And then now, of course, after that, now we are working on the affiliation under the university. So then that for that, so last time again Tenzifekela, then again Yunzola and myself, 3 of us, we had gone down. So then that was our first meeting to the university. Now again, we were supposed to go in the meantime, but due to the election, it got postponed. So after now as the election has been finished, so I think they'll call us in the coming days or weeks. So then we have got to prepare for that also. And as Mr. Paul Tamerling has been recounting what how he came in contact with Chapuri, and then it's been really, I think, it's very true. I think it's like I also personally think it's like a karmic relation, that's how we met. And then the wishes of the late Beb Aten could also be fulfilled. And as you know that we have been working on Chapuri for many years. First, you had helped us with the college to set up with smaller projects. First, I think we started with the library, maybe, and so on. We started gradually. Then later on, uh, uh, then when we got the permission to start with the pharmacy construction, then that's true. Then and that's how you came to help us with the construction of the pharmacy. And as we have visited Salugara now, the pharmacy department is the main asset of Chapuri, you could say. Though, as you know, Chapuri, we have got three main departments: the college, the pharmacy, and the clinics. But presently, the pharmacy is also the main income generating department of Chapuri, through which later on we fully wish that Chapuri will be a self-sustaining entity on its own, that the income from the pharmacy could be generated well, by which Chapuri would be self-sustaining, and then we don't have to like sort of rely much on outside funds. But at the moment, of course, like as you know, still we have got quite a lot of government regulations to follow. So later on, our now next big project is that we plan to shift our college down the pharmacy beside the pharmacy at Salugara. So that's again our now next step, what we are working on. And just like a small gesture of gratitude to the Beb Arjun Foundation and also to Paul, to you personally, I just like to offer you a kada on behalf of all of us, just to thank you from the depth of our heart. So please come. And then, as you know, we make this good herbal tea, like Jonathan Pegela with his team, everybody. They make this beautiful herbal tea, which all the people like it, and some small packet of Darjeeling tea for you. Okay. Thank you for coming. Then, as you all are aware of, that from March last year, the Kumatesh Thenjubla has been voluntarily helping us with the administration of Chapuri. And then, as you know, in our office, there's only Gail Hauchala, myself, two of us. I take care about with the administration, and Gail Hauchala takes care about with the accounts. So there's only two of us. And then with the administrative work, it's a work which never ends. If you don't do a work, it keeps pending there on the table. There's nobody else to take care of it. Whereas in a clinic, let's say, if you're there, not there for a day, maybe somebody else takes care of it, and then your workload is not there pending up. But with the office administrative work, it's there for you. Or even if you're not there for 1 week, your work is there waiting for you to come back. And then, like, Kumatesh Thenjubla has been really, really very helpful. And then as you all know, with his expertise, and then as you all know, he was the former principal of the Central School for Tibetans. So he has the administrative expertise to work on these matters, and then he has been really very meticulous, and then he has been really, like, we are working on all the different lists which has been given to all the different departments, so that what we need to procure in order to fulfill the requirements of NCISM, and also regarding the cataloging of the books also. There was Kuma has been very meticulous, and that he himself has been writing the names of the books meticulously on.
indispensable, mena metaphor. And then they do. I'm not sure much about holiday, Tapuri, Nangbe, Dinedi, mena metaphor, Lindang, they were Tapuri, Dilia, and Pet Capjorno, Zinjola, but the Catable to get in the shoot, cutting to be business.
There will be many distractions always, but like just channelize your full energy in the study well. And I'd like to thank everybody for coming here. Thank you, and then so please enjoy your afternoon. Thank you very much.
Japuri tindin pime lumni khangi lupchi nane lupchi kentin se yusulane tuji che sungshi langyo. May I respectfully invite the principal of Japuri, Mrs. Tenji Yusola, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Ma khata che ani jik sugar de yona kani shush do shwa iro ne le tari ten tambo chite word of thanks de ani di thama de lang zagi zerim de girwa do sto che ani unzila chone ani di ka shura ani word of thanks de ngala di chibu ji songdo sonza ani di ya bo ji da shu choma so yin la kan tu ji ma ji shwe gi ta tabshi che yin shwe iro ani deri 해수주 우리 저게 멜로 운예데 롱어 순제 순주다 아니 돌린도 저 우리 텐데 페멜로니 가 운예네 롱어 순주 숲시 콜베기 제고 더 지규장 베기 아니 군중데 저 미스터 콜다 공개선다 아니 미시스 마리안 초라 아니 투지 체슈아이 so thank you so much for being with us with all of us today and thank you so much for sharing a part of your life today with us and how you got connected with Tibet, how you connected with Rinpoche, the previous Shogawar Rinpoche and Chenlepa Sangla eventually, and how you eventually connected with Japuri. And thank you so much for supporting, Japuri, and we, the whole family, Japuri family members, will be remaining thankful to you always. Thank you so much, sir.
Tene ngazunyo gen chambala la ani tere ngazu ge chambala gi khashu re choguri ani lugyu to ni tamshi halwa ya buchna so tujena shyi gela gi choguri ani choguri korachi de chama de ji gilari yimbe gi yimbala so be gi lugyu la so mangu shuji nega mangu shuji so na so gela la mixu ka ni testile dang gadin che shyi 네, 다나신 나지기 공어 테스트를 쳐라 아니 다가쇼라 공라라다 나지 가쇼라라들 받는 나지기 MSR minimum standard requirement 등등 이동이 썩 숨기 자기 망보 쉬지도 나래 굴레 망보 쉬게 나래 사마기 캔슬되는데 사물로 하고 거래 근데 나는 NOC라 속베기 아니 다가나신기 no objection certificate 다가나신기 나지기 affiliation 가라야 굴레 망보 쉬게 나도 나신바리 네가 뭐 투제 쉬어이 당하는 도지 찾은 바이 나타데 개인디시 직 링게디지 시제데 한다 가셔오래 키제 아니 슈슈 가라 준다다 슈지 슈다 메데 이네레 공라 페제 아니 로지기 링라다 냠뇨 슈지 가셔오래 된다가 저기 스톡다 된데 가셔오래 레지스터 냐랄라 소바든 수식 내가 뭐 슈지길라 공라기 된데 직다 가셔오래 가지고 냠뇨사에게 거 망고 슈지도 나서 딜란 공라는 미스가네 투지 체슈에 아니 이제 딜라 된다가서 공 겐디초 겐디 텔레비전 라쇼라야 아니 투지 체슈에 가진 슈아나 가서 된다 나도 짐바나 다지 냠뇽 균이랑 메데다 아다 우다 가 슈슈 메데 롭티강 똑스타 가슈라 로추스키 다 냠뇽 마토페 제 익자다 디데강 슈슈 메디디 겐디 쇼네 MSE 케진보 임바다 다나시 MSR 조직이 쓰고 요바다 딘데기 아니 가쇼라 갈로 람데 스토레지 망고시 나서 투지나 슈아니 다나시 다른 어즈들라 십교경배기 겐질 현조 아니 소문 넘버 숨스 예서래로 아니 숨다 다가나 신기 아니 가지기 조그리 가쇼르베 가기 가지기 민가 다지랭이 고데 민가기 아니 멘트 술바 아치바산 라페도 아니 생아데 뒤즈된 거 뒤지나 쉬이 다나 신 가지기 아니 갑 방비기 페이지 디인자 길라 가지기 게 나와라야 페도 길라라 뒤지나 쉬이 아니 데데데 심바 아니 가지기 조그리 살로가기 긴젠다 아니 게레 용라야 타리 뒤즈된 나올라 믹스단 쇼고 치즈 시대 제가 있나가 나와 있나 지라 그지 야샤니 페고 케이스레 그지 디라 아니 뒤즈 믹스 아니 가지 다른 게 저거디 개 전부 지치 아니 내가 라 청아 페 나올라 아니 뒤즈 나 쉬니 하나시 아니 저 돌링기 아니 게레 용라 저거리 연라민가기 게레 용라 아니야 테스텔레스다 아니 뒤즈 나 쉬니 아니 먼저 딱딱다 그 슈베기 게레 용라다 슈 뭐지 다간다 그지 저로 야고 슈지 나서 아니 되지 나셔야니 아니 대님도 근데 다른 가서데 소경원이 아니 가쇼래 그래서 가지고 겐다다 아니 된다 고사 호랑이라 아니 가지고 인게다 베기니가 내직 총나라니 된다 가지고 진다 믹스가 내 배용도 아니 양 가지고 인게 돈이야 지금 소경원 남기 마치도 니양 계신 보지 티체 디직 자리지 나로 지는 고통이라디 쉬어지게와 나 신기 아니 다른 일인데 아버지 좀 나서 고라니라야 아니 뒤지나 쉬야이 그치 아니 다된들라 아니 가지고 된다 소가 자리 난게다 다나시 치료 코리 장마 수게다 다나시 된다 피진 일반이 마게 탑사라나 예사래 코드스 베게 떨럽 차사질라다 용조라 아니 닝 타고네 다지 뒤지나 쉬야이 더 자리하고 항상 하고 나도 뒤지나 쉬야이 아니 그치 내가 인사를 다된디 나라나 나라기 엔테지나 쉬야이 말씀 주시나 그렇지